Good morning, y'all. We got the gym session completed early today. It's Saturday. We're getting ready to go to where are we going? Oh yeah, we got to go to Discount Tire. I got to get my freaking tires balanced and rotated because my steering wheel, it be doing this number, so we ain't finna have all that. So yeah, let's go to Discount Tire. All right, y'all, we here. Time to get these tires done. Got the bird ready. Bag. Hey guys, what's up? I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving and everybody had a chance to reflect on their blessings and things that they're thankful for. There's a lot of people in this world that don't have as much as we do, so I think we all have at least a little bit of something to be thankful for. So I hope you had a chance to spend it with your loved ones, family, friends, whoever it is that you consider close to you. Thank you guys for hanging out, watching the videos and such. I greatly appreciate it. I did finally get my tires rotated and balanced and all that, so no more death wobble, thank God. Yeah, so it's been a pretty busy week. I haven't had a lot of opportunity to film a whole lot of stuff. It's just been kind of go. So yeah, it's been pretty hectic, but I will be putting together next week's video. If you guys have a certain topic or a certain something you want me to talk about or would like to see in the video, just post it in the comments below and I will do my best to make a video about that. I did have some question on like what do I use gear wise and camera wise and stuff. I did have several messages asking me that, so I don't know, maybe it's a good idea to go through and kind of talk about like my system and what I use, how I make these videos basically. Yeah, anyways, I hope everybody has a great week. Let's make it a good and positive week. So yeah, I will be going live on YouTube as well, just to kind of build up a following. So if you haven't followed me yet, please, or they call it subscribe. Go down below, subscribe to me, it really helps. Like the video. If you don't want to comment, you don't have to, but every little thing helps. I greatly appreciate all of the love and support. That is what we are here about. I'll try to get some more clips and some more footage a little bit better planned out next week. That way I kind of have a structured storyline. But yeah, thank you guys for hanging out. I hope everybody has a good day. See you.